Oh, it wasn't running. Where? Oh.
Yeah. Cool. Up in the sky.
Oh, Eli. Eli, show Papa. Can I see it? Whoa, let's see that airplane. Oh, wow, that's cool.
All right. Where do you want to land on the runway? That's right.
Eli, just show me, Eli. Where's the airplane?
Cool.
You like that airplane?
Cool stuff. Is that like a Thursday, Friday, Saturday?
Yeah, we're going Thursday, Friday, and then we're going to go Saturday.
Is it 6 movies?
We're going to go see, no, it's more than that.
They have 40 films. We're going to see 6 of them.
6.
You got them all picked out?
Let me see it.
What are the letters on there, Eli? What are
read
the
those
letters?
See a D and then a... Yeah, an A. That's right, there is an A. A triangle, that's right. Did you hear that?
Know what that spells? Those letters spell? Delta.
There's a red
We're
triangle
ready
on
when
there
you are.
right now. You guys are going to be here for a little bit. You'll be here for a little longer?
What are you doing? What, Eli? What are you doing?
He's watching his.
Are you looking in the car?
You watching
Or are you watching the video? What's in the video, Eli?
Mm.